Want to know the biggest mistakes buyers are making today? I'll give you the inside scoop because I don't want things to trip you up too. First up, putting up the pre-approval. While touring homes is more fun, if you don't have a pre-approval in hand, you're doing yourself a disservice. You want to do this as soon as possible. And it shows the seller that you're serious. And if we get into a multiple offer scenario. Next, holding out the perfection. Going to be real with you because I care. You need to remember that the first home does not have to be your forever home. So be realistic about what you need and what you can upgrade in when you move on. And here's the big one. Buying more than what you can afford. I know the market is tough, but you don't want to overextend too far. If the numbers don't work out, don't force them. I got the experience, or I've got what you want to avoid. So send me a message and let's chat. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I'm your local real estate agent in Lakeview, Chicago. I serve the Chicagoland and suburbs. My number is 773-550-4846. Let's have a buyer's consultation.